Big data is the new oil of the economy, and businesses should maximize the use of information generated for performance evaluation and analysis. That's according to panelists and speakers during the second Smart Data Summit. Held under the theme Unlocking Big Data Value, over 300 delegates from IT and research industries have gathered during the two-day event, where more than 20 speakers are leading discussions on key trends and future prospects of information analysis. Highlighting the importance of digital infrastructure, panelists stated that data-driven decision-making has become crucial for driving business growth and enhancing their market share. Business leaders have been urged to capitalize on the wealth of information carried by the big data, particularly for service providers, who should realize the tremendous business value that it is available. Among the major discussions included different techniques of storing data coupled with evaluating business prioritized cases, which can be used for a company's architectural blueprint to contribute towards business development. Labeling information as a commodity, Sunil Mahajan from IBM stated that data analytics should be a key component of digital remodeling of businesses, which can help in predictive decision-making.
Data is the big oil. We've been generating data for years together, and more so now. All the channels, the TV, audio, video, your iPhones, Android phones, everything. This is all data. This is like oil. We have to drill for oil. And similarly, we have to drill for data. But data, what it is no use for us, just like oil. We have to refine it. We have to find insights from it. We've got to drive value from it. And ultimately, we've got to use that data to drive market share and drive dollars down. That's the concept. We're working with health companies, health organizations across the world. We're gathering data from billions of patients, anonymized data, which the doctors have at their fingertips. And they wouldn't have this data. They're looking at the same disease, for example, but different symptoms. And they're getting this data to actually help us get a better life. That's where we're going. It's cognitive. It's not just about having the data, drilling it, and giving me a predictive analysis of it. It's cognitive, where you're making it easier to be consumed and getting value out of that consumption in terms of the revenue generated by organizations.
Sharing the success of their network experimentation, marketing analytics and data science expert from Facebook stated that evaluation of consumer sentiment continues to influence their overall product design. Targeted advertisement based on the user's interest has proven to be a fruitful business model for the social media enterprise, which was achieved through the creative use of analytics.
The amount of data that we collect is really to present less advertising to the users. Less advertising that is more relevant and more important to the user because it adds value to us, to the advertiser, and to the people. You don't want your users to be inundated with publicity, with ads. You want to present what is relevant to them, and it's possible because of the data, because of targeting, because of the experimentation that we are doing and constantly refining the platform. So that's really, really key. Analytics and data-driven really allows you to focus the energy where it needs to be. Otherwise, you will be shooting blind. Before, all advertising money was spent evenly across all kinds of things, and eventually something would work. Now it can be very targeted. It means that it's better for the company that is spending the money, but it's also better for the customers because they are receiving more targeted and relevant ads. So it all goes to data-driven. Also, you can comply with policies better. You can protect your users better because you know the areas where it needs to be. Basically, analytics will guide your decision-making because it guides the energy that you need to focus. You always have limited resources, limited energy, and limited time. Analytics help you spend that in the areas that are most productive.